Hey everyone! Welcome to this quick and easy tutorial on how to transfer Matic from Trust Wallet to your Ledger Nano X in 2025. If you're looking to boost your crypto security by moving your assets to a hardware wallet, you're in the right place. Matic, the native token of the Polygon network, is a popular choice for fast and cheap transactions, but keeping it on a secure device like the Ledger Nano X is a smart move. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need the Trust Wallet app installed on your phone with some Matic in it, and your Ledger Nano X set up with the latest firmware. Also, install the Ethereum app on your Ledger, as Matic is often handled through the Ethereum network for transfers. Step 1. Connect your Ledger Nano X to your computer using the USB cable and open the Ledger Live app. Unlock your device with your PIN and navigate to the Ethereum app. This will generate your receiving address. Write it down or keep it on screen. Step 2. Open your Trust Wallet on your phone and go to the Matic wallet. Tap on Send and enter the amount you want to transfer. Now, paste the receiving address from your Ledger into the To field. Double-check this address to avoid any mistakes. Crypto transfers are irreversible. Step 3. Review the transaction details, including fees, and confirm the send. You'll be prompted to approve it on your Trust Wallet. Once done, head back to your Ledger and confirm the transaction on the device itself for added security. Step 4. Wait for the transaction to process. This usually takes a few minutes, depending on network congestion. You can check the status on a blockchain explorer like Polygon Scan by entering your transaction hash. A quick tip: always use the official apps and double-check addresses to prevent scams or losses. If you run into issues, like a stuck transaction, reach out to Ledger's support or community forums. And there you have it. Your Matic is now securely transferred to your Ledger Nano X. This step keeps your assets safe from online threats. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.